This tea is unbelievably good. Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today we are going to make a teapot and a mug so you can drink tea. Prepare 2 square sheets of paper. Let's start with the teapot. Fold the paper in half along diagonal line. Fold inward both the left and the right corners to form a body of the teapot. Fold outward both the left and right flaps. Fold inward the corner of the left flap. Fold down the top corner and fold up the bottom corner of the triangle. Flip it over and ta-da! Here we have the teapot. To make the mug, fold the paper in half into a rectangle. Fold the tip of the front flap over. Turn the paper over and do the same thing. Make 2 creases that divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts. Fold the 2 top corners down diagonally. Bring the left and the right flaps to meet each crease. Fold outward the top flap diagonally. Fold inward the tip slightly. Flip it over and ta-da! Here we have the mug. Did you have fun with 종이접기 while learning English? Subscribe to have fun with us and enjoy your tea time. See you next time. Bye!